Are you looking for an easy way to convert your PowerPoint presentations into PDF? Whether it's for professional use, sharing with friends, or for a polished, easy-to-read format, we've got you covered. Converting PowerPoint to PDF is incredibly useful. PDFs are universally compatible, easy to share, and keep your content secure. Plus, PDFs look the same on any device, ensuring your audience sees your work exactly as you intended. One of the best and easiest ways to convert PowerPoint to PDF is by using FileProInfo. With their free online tool, you can convert your presentations in just a few clicks. And it's super convenient. No software downloads, no installation, just straightforward conversion. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Head over to the PPT to PDF converter on FileProInfo. You can find it at fileproinfo.com/converter/ppt-to-PDF. Step 2. Click Upload File and select your PowerPoint file. FileProInfo supports various formats and can handle multiple files for batch conversion. Step 3. Once uploaded, click on Convert Now. In seconds, your file will be transformed into a PDF. And Step 4. Download your new PDF document. Why choose FileProInfo? With this tool, you get fast, high-quality conversions, no cost or software installations, total privacy for your files. They're deleted from the server after conversion. So, the next time you need to convert PowerPoint to PDF, visit FileProInfo.com and experience the fast, secure, and hassle-free way to convert your files. Click the link in the description below to try it now. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tips and tech tools to make your life easier. See you in the next video.